There they were, just young birds, looking for adventure, searching for a new route. But the voices stood against them. They thought that they were crazy, couldn't figure them out. Oh, there they were, just young birds, looking for adventure, searching for a new route. But the voices stood against them. They thought that they were crazy, couldn't figure them out. It was the time to take flight, a time to break out, a time to start a new life. Then this was too small, there was a word to explore. Little birds, it's time to fly. It was a time to take flight, a time to break out, a time to start a new life. Then this was too small, there was a word to explore. Little birds, it's time to fly. Here they were, two young birds. They were riding on the wind and rising up above doubt. But there was something inside them. They had the will to overcome and the strength to not break down. Whoa. It was a time to take flight, a time to break out, a time to start a new life. Then this was too small, there was a word to explore. Little birds, it's time to fly. It was a time to take flight, a time to break out, a time to start a new life. Then this was too small, there was a word to explore. Little birds, it's time to fly.